It's 9 at night, the shop is quiet, and there's the blank caption box again. No idea what to post tomorrow. The maker's 365-day social caption calendar fixes that. A full year of posts, already written and ready to fill in for your handmade shop. Here's what makes it different. Every day gives you the same post, written 3 ways. One for Instagram, one for TikTok, one for Pinterest. Warm and story-led, punchy and hook-first, and keyword-rich, in that order. Pick your platform, drop in your details, and post. The whole year runs on a simple weekly rhythm. 7 post types on rotation, so your feed never feels repetitive. Behind the scenes, product spotlights, process, a maker's tip, customer features, your sales push, and community. You give value all week, and the ask only lands after you've earned it. Open the calendar, find today, and it's all right there. A 1-line hook, 3 caption variants, color-coded by platform, 3 hashtag stacks, ready to paste, the photo to take, and a note on why the post works. No staring, no guessing. Copy, customize, and you're done in 2 minutes. Prefer to work ahead? The searchable Excel calendar puts every post in one row, a column for each platform. Filter by month or post type, then copy the caption straight out. And for the days that really drive sales, you get 20 holiday moments across the US, Canada, and the UK. There's a start here. Playbook too. A hashtag bank tuned to 10 crafts, and a batching routine that turns a whole month of marketing into 1 calm hour. Fill in a month, schedule it, and your shop keeps showing up even on your busiest weeks. Best of all, it's evergreen. No fixed dates, so you start any day and reuse it every year, with a ready-dated 2027 edition thrown in as a bonus. It's a year of done-for-you captions, an instant download from Ardent Workshop. Fill the blanks, batch ahead, and let your shop show up every single day.